Building up your familiarity with the tools panel is essential, especially because we're going to be using so many of these tools throughout our overall photographic workflow. Well, over here on the left, you can see that I have the tools panel for Photoshop CS4. I want to go ahead and compare that to the tools panel for Photoshop CS5. Now, one of the things you're going to notice is that there aren't really any significant changes. Now, that's great news if you've been using CS4 because it's basically taking the same logic that we've had before and then just applying a couple of subtle changes. For example, you'll notice that a few brushes look a little bit different, or that the healing brush here, again, the icon has changed slightly and subtly. Nothing really significant here. Well, let's go ahead and focus in on how this tools panel is organized. Well, I like to think of this tools panel as divided up into different groups. You can see there are some dividing lines. And then you can see that I've divided these up even further. Now, the top group up here, these tools have to do with making selections. Next, we have the ability to crop and slice or measure. Next, we have some retouching and painting tools. We can also burn and dodge with these tools down here. And then we have some drawing and type tools. And then finally, if you have Photoshop Extended, we have 3D and navigation. Now, this, of course, is a bit of an oversimplification. And I find that by distilling this, it can help us access and find the tools that we'll need to use when we're working in Photoshop.